We are going to talk about something very important: seeking validation from others. We all want people to like us, agree with us, and approve our choices. It feels good when someone praises us or notices our efforts. But here is the problem: living for someone's approval steals your peace and freedom. Imagine trying to float in water while someone constantly pulls you down. That's what seeking validation does. It keeps you stuck, uneasy, and always dependent on others. Build inner confidence. Confidence is the antidote. It is a remedy to validation seeking. Trust your decision even when others disagree. Celebrate small wins daily. Reflect on your progress rather than comparing yourselves to others. Confidence grows from within, and when you rely on it, you no longer need constant approval.